Hello student, I'm Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Here we have to discuss which is paramagnetic, which is diamagnetic. Question is which of the following is not paramagnetic? Sulfide ion, nitric oxide, O2 1 negative. This is superoxide ion and N2 1 negative ion. Total, there is one trick, but it is there is exceptional case also. We discussed that also. S2 negative, we have to see how many total electrons here. We can take total electrons or we can take valence electron also. Sometimes I have taken total electrons, sometimes I have taken valence also. So total electrons is in this case 16 plus 2 18 electron. If we'll see that 6 valence electron plus 2 8 electrons, so that is even number, so it is diamagnetic. So it is not paramagnetic. Answer A is the correct. In one go we will find out that A is correct option. Question can be asked differently, so I have written all of them. NO nitric oxide total electron 7 plus 8 15 electron, or valence electron 5 valence electron plus 6 valence electron of oxygen plus 5 plus 6 total 11. So it is paramagnetic. We can take total electron or valence electron. It is on us. O2 1 negative, total electron 8 plus 8 and 1 negative charge plus 1, so 17. So paramagnetic in nature. Or valence electron, if we take 6 valence electron for 2 oxygen, 6 plus 6 plus 1, total 13 electrons. So paramagnetic. N2 1 negative, total electron 7 plus 1 electron 15. Or valence electron will take so 5 plus 1 11. Paramagnetic. So B, C, D are paramagnetic. Only A is diamagnetic. So which is not paramagnetic? S2 negative is not paramagnetic. Now N2 and O2 are converted to monocation. M2 1 positive and that is N2 1 positive and O2 1 positive. 4 options are given. Which is correct? Which is wrong, they are asking. In N2 the NN bond weakens. In O2 the O bond order increases. This is true. In O2 paramagnetism increases. Wrong. Why? Because O2 1 positive is having less paramagnetic character. Okay, 1 electron is lost from here. So in O2 paramagnetism increases. Wrong. N2 1 positive becomes paramagnetic. True. N2 1 positive becomes diamagnetic. Wrong. So we have seen that C and E are wrong. Okay, in O2 paramagnetism decreases. True, because in case of O2, see here, this is an exceptional case. Although sum of O2 is 16 electron, but it is still paramagnetic because of the molecular orbital theory. Okay, so this is exceptional case. So here there are 2 unpaired electron, here 1 unpaired electron. So this is paramagnetism decreases. Okay, bond order is here 2, bond order in